What is the STEK Black Label Installer program? In short, it's here to recognize excellence in an ever-growing and competitive industry. Shops here like Metropolitan Detail and a select handful of others from across the country have been invited to the program for us recognizing their excellence from customer service through the quality craftsmanship that they provide. Any STEK Black Label installer is going to be able to offer any STEK products, from our paint protection film to window tint and ceramic coatings, so you can get a one-stop shop for anything you need. On top of that, they have undergone a strict qualification process to make sure that you are getting the best peace of mind possible for any work you need done to your car, however special, however new, or however unique it might be. These Black Label installers all around the country, so if you're interested, check out our locator at stek-usa.com and find the one closest to you.